So today I got a few new fidgets yesterday. And sorry I forgot to show you guys what I got. But I'll show you guys what I got from yesterday, and not all of them are from yesterday. I'll show the ones I got like a few days ago. So I got these out of those little kind of machines, like vending machines that you just put a coin in and it comes out. So I got one of these like sticky kind of like one of those, like it's not like, it's one of those sticky things. And then I got this like also air stress ball and a pop it, and my favorite, the mesh ball. I'll open this one first. It's hard to open. Hold on. Get it open here. And these things were all for my like birthday, which I'm so excited for. Wow, that scared me. Anyway, so here it is. It says just a snail. I named him Larry. I really like him. It's sticky. Here. Let me see if I can. Yeah, it's really good at throwing it. Like, see? Can't really see it that well, but yeah. So that one. There's Larry. It's hard to close. There we go. Okay. Now for the air stress ball. I don't know what this is for. It's not the best air stress ball, but it was only $1, so it's okay. Kind of has a scent. Yeah, it kind of has a scent. It's strange. I don't know. Anyways, now the puppet. Why does this one have a scent too? It smells like candy, this one. Because there was candy near it. So, yeah. Ooh. Oh, my. Ooh. This one's really pretty. It's a mini version. It's really cute. Super cute. Okay, time for the mesh ball. Okay, so here it is. It's so pretty. It's like a, it reminds me of a peach color. I don't know why. It just does. Well, like the fruit. If you guys know the fruit. Really pretty. It's also a bit like orange too, but I don't know, just reminds me of peaches and stuff. There we go. Okay, so now from the things I got yesterday. So I got this gum, Trident Vibes Sour Berry Twist. It's really good. I'm having one right now. It's good. They smell really good, but that's what they look like. It's kind of, it's a purple, but on camera it looks just kind of white. But yeah. Okay, now from the stuff that I got yesterday. So I got a shimmer Starburst Neato. It's really pretty. Look at that glitter. It's really good. I like it a lot. Super pretty. Look at that color. So vibrant. It's really, really nice. And then I got this thing. I'm not too sure what it's called. It was on the packaging, but I threw it out, the packaging. So yeah, I don't know how I'm supposed to hold it. I just do this with it. It's really cool. Go like this. I really like this one. It's actually one of my favorite fidgets now. Okay, so you know that big blue needle? I have, it's over there, my fidget bin. I had to get another one, so I got a purple one though. I love it. It's so good. I love it. Super big. I love this color. It's really pretty. Okay, so now for the last thing, which is one of my favorite fidgets that I got. It's just like the Poppet purse I have that's in my collection too, the Burger Poppet purse. Except it's a backpack. Look at how pretty it is. I love it. Okay, so it is so good, guys. You should really hear it. And it's really pretty. See? It's super good. And then on the inside, it just looks like that with the bubbles. And then here. It sounds like so good. It's like, I love it. Like, it's a mini backpack purse. Poppet purse. No, Poppet bag. Backpack. It's a mini backpack Poppet bag. I don't know. It says Bubble Pop Backpack Bubble Pop right there. Backpack Bubble Pop. So yeah. And if you guys like this video, make sure to like this video and make sure to go subscribe to my channel and Caitlin Longs and Alina Trans. Bye!